In this video, we'll be discussing Data Element 3.20, the housing move-in date. The housing move-in date documents the date that a household admitted into a permanent housing project moves into housing. This data is critical to point-in-time and housing inventory counts as it differentiates households which have already moved into permanent housing from households which are enrolled in a permanent housing project but are still literally homeless as they prepare to move into an available unit. Use the following specifications when collecting this data. The project type applicability is all permanent supportive housing, housing only, housing with services, and rapid rehousing projects. The data should be collected for all heads of households. The collection point should be at occurrence, meaning at move-in. Use these tips for capturing this field accurately. The housing move-in date should be either on or between project start and the project exit date. The housing move-in date must be entered if and when a household moves into any type of permanent housing, regardless of funding source, or whether the project is providing the rental assistance. This is to differentiate between clients who are housed and those who are experiencing homelessness at different points during their enrollment. If the client vacates a housing situation and the project stops paying rental assistance, exit the client from the project with an accurate project exit date and destination, and create a new project start date in a second enrollment for the client on the same or following day. The project would continue working with the client until a new unit is found, at which point a new housing move-in date would be recorded on the second project record. This will ensure that the client's history of housing is preserved. To enter a housing move-in date in Clarity, go to the client's enrollment record, go to the housing move-in date field, and select a date. Scroll down to the bottom and select Save and Close.